In this video I will show you step by step how you can delete your account on Notion. So first of all, let's head over to our Notion app. Once we open up Notion, we may be on a page, so what we need to do is back out onto our main screen. So once we back out, as you can see, we will be on this page right here, and we can now select the settings option. Once we select settings, what we now need to do is scroll down until we see the option for delete my account. So as you can see, permanently delete the account or remove access from all workspaces. If you're happy with this, click on the delete my account button. As you can see, what you can do now is type in your email address just to confirm that you want to delete your account. So once you type in your email address, just first of all, please be aware that you cannot undo this action. So if you do want to delete your account and you are sure, you can then select delete account and whatever workspace. Once you do this, as you can see, it will say deleting your account, and then once it has deleted, it will then log you out and send you back to the homepage of Notion. So it's just that simple to delete your Notion account. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.